Sundari is beloved by her village, particularly for the vibrant rangoli she draws. One day, a young man expresses interest in her, but Sundari politely rejects the proposal. Humiliated, the man becomes consumed with bitterness and rage. He searches the village for Sundari and attacks her with acid, forever changing her life. Sundari wakes up in the burn ward. While the patients around her slowly recover, she struggles to process what has happened to her. Though she begins to heal physically, she continues to endure emotional anguish. After returning to her house post-treatment, she attempts to draw a rangoli, but the villagers whisper and stare, driving her to abandon her design. Their voices feed into Sundari's deepest insecurities, and her thoughts spiral out of control, drowning out her sense of self. Overwhelmed, she covers her face with a shawl to seek relief. As time passes, Sundari learns to live unnoticed. One day, she goes to the market and sees her attacker living freely, still unpunished. Desperate for justice, she pleads with the villagers to stand by her side. But they turn away, their silence louder than her cries. Why does the victim bear the burden while the perpetrator walks free? Why do we, as a society, choose to look away? Natya at UW presents Dhriti, a gaze that condemns, a silence that betrays.
ma ma ga sa ga ga ma ma pa ni ma ma ga sa ga ma ma ga sa ga ma ma ga sa ga ga ma ma pa ni sa na ni na pa ma di ma da so ga pa ma pa ga sa ri ga ma no sa ri ga ma da sa ri